folks, welcome to my How to Watch channel. Today I'm going to show you what is black box inside flight data recorder. Black box is a generic term used to describe the computerized flight data recorders carried by modern commercial aircraft. This device be viewed in terms of its inputs and outputs, or transfer characteristics, without any knowledge of its internal workings. Its implementation is black. Almost anything might be referred to as a black box, a transistor, an algorithm, or the human brain. According to Edward Teller, the first black box was a gun sight carried on World War II flying fortresses, with hidden components that corrected for environmental variables, such as wind speed. The crew probably didn't know how the device worked, but they knew it might be crucial to their survival. In the event of a mishap, the information stored in these black boxes can be used to help determine the cause of the accident. These days, there are two types of black box carried on aircraft, which may be combined into a single device: a flight data recorder, FDR, which logs information such as speed and altitude, and a cockpit voice recorder, CVR, which logs all voice communication in the cockpit. These black boxes also carry beacons to help find the aircraft in a rescue situation. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.